which one of the following statements about the ethics committee in the Lok Sabha are correct? Initially it was an ad hoc committee. Only a member of Lok Sabha can make a complaint relating to unethical conduct of a member of Lok Sabha. This committee cannot take up any matter which is sub judice. ಈಗ ಈ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ಗೆ ಏನೇನಿದೆ, ವಿಲ್ ಟ್ರೈ ಟು ರಿಕಾಲ್ ವಾಟ್ ಎವರ್ ವಿ ಲರ್ನ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ದ PYQs. When we were talking about mandamus, we mentioned that mandamus is not applicable in certain cases. One of those cases was if a matter is sub judice. If a matter is before any court, then mandamus cannot be, we cannot get mandamus for that. So if a matter is sub judice, then ethics committee, this is correct. If a matter is sub judice, then the ethics committee will not take up the matter. This is correct. See, ethics committee ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಲಕ್ಷ್ಮೀಕಾಂತ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬೇಸಿಕ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ethics committee ಏನು ಮಾಡುತ್ತಂತ ಮಾತ್ರ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. If there is misconduct by any of the member of the Lok Sabha or Rajya Sabha, then the ethics committee will look into the ethicality of his action, his or her action. So initially it was a ad hoc committee, ಇದು ನಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತೇ ಇಲ್ಲ. But only a member of Lok Sabha can make a complaint relating to unethical conduct of a member of Lok Sabha. Trap only. So only na wrong anta tagondre answer direct agi bartittu. Answer would be 1 and 3 even without knowing statement 1. So in this way also we could have deduced, and few other things which we need to know about ethics committee. See, ethics committee will oversee the moral and ethical conduct of its members. And ethical committee, ethics committee li Rajya Sabha alli kuda ide, Lok Sabha kuda ide. It isn't that only one house alli ide. Lok Sabha there are 15 members in the ethics committee, and in Rajya Sabha there are 10 members. Idin kelilla, so this is an extra information which is not mentioned in Lakshmikant. And how does this work? Also, the members of the ethics committee are appointed by the speaker or the chairperson depending on which house, and for a period of 1 year only. So how does this ethics committee work? See, if there is misconduct that has been conducted by a particular MP, then there is another MP who will see it, notice it, and he'll refer it to the speaker, telling that this person has done misconduct. So the speaker will refer the matter to the ethics committee, and whatever ethics committee will find out, that will be given back to the speaker. Now speaker cannot directly take action based on the ethics committee recommendation. Even if ethics committee finds a particular person to be guilty, then the speaker will take up the motion and put it to the vote, and only if the motion is been voted, only then can some sort of punishment be given to the person who has done misconduct. So it is not the speaker who will be deciding the expulsion or the suspension of the member if it happens. It is the house. So ethics committee recommendation kottaga, speaker will ask it to the house, and the house will take up a motion whether to suspend or expel the member, expulsion of the member, and based on that the person will be punished. See, ethics committee tarane privilege committee anta kuda ide. One basic difference is if it is more serious acquisitions, then it will go to privilege committee. If it's less, then ethics committee.